The bridge number to broadcast, ha?
Last full show? Walang yan, sir.
Sir, standing ovation na dito, sir.
Ba, sabi ko, dapat nakalib din ako ngayon, nakalib din ako. Tapos sinulat ko. Sumi!
Actually, nasa tinihan siya eh. Normal lang. Yeah, caregiver. All malang bayad dyan, ha? Caregiver.
Oh,
How come you guys got the flash chairs in the back?
that's why. I was asking why. Look at the first row. Hello? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Hello? Yes, oh. Yes, what? It's hard.
Tagalog. Oh.
And we do have some clowns here, I mean, it's okay.
Nasaan ka ba? Ikaw pa rin. Sige, dapat. Malaysia.
Good. And now, the end is near.
Yeah, wrong. The wrong number. Yeah. Kasi kung moderator sila wala, tayo mag-ano, ba't siya nakahanda sa atin? Kasi ito siya matawag sa atin. Para pumasok siya doon.
The number is 656622708. Okay? Okay, just retire that number, thanks.